Hi, I'm Linus Riddle. I'm a Gully sophomore, and this is for my computer science and software engineering course. Um, and I'm just going to be showing a little bit what I've been doing for the past couple of days. Um, what I've been doing is starting to learn how to make a game on Roblox because I heard that's fairly intuitive. Um, and I didn't have too much time to work on it because I spent quite a bit on the previous Quadbot project that I was making. You can see that on my ePortfolio. Um, and um, so I've been making this just game to figure out kind of how to do it for the past couple of days, how to make games on the Roblox Studio. Um, and there are some tutorials to learn how to do that here. Like you can find several things like how to make just shapes and different things and characters. But I just wanted to hop in and see what I could find out. And here's this thing. Here's my game, and you can play it on your account if you have one on Roblox. If you just search my name, you can find it on my profile. Not that there's much to it at the moment, but um, the first kind of things I was trying to figure out is how to shape parts. So, like like as I said, the UI and everything to create this game is pretty intuitive, and you can figure out how to do it without too many tutorials and everything. Like this here, you just if you want to add a part, then you just click part, and here it is. And here's that one I actually just made, and you can delete it pretty easy with the delete key. And if you want to, you can reshape it like this. And like for example, I made this sign. It's a little bit jank on the text, obviously. But these are two different parts that I edited and changed the material. Like you can see how to change some appearance of things, like the color and the material. So like I could make it like a metal, like it now looks like a metallic blue cube instead if I wanted to do that. And if you wanted to make different shapes of parts initially, you can do so that way. See, like I have a sphere, and I made a sphere there. Um, and yeah, so most of this was just messing around a little bit and trying to figure out how to start making things for a different game. So it was pretty easy to import some of these models. As you, like, most of this stuff or several of these things at least, I got from this thing on the left here. So you can search things. Like I got this hog um, in this part picker. You just search whatever you want, and several things that the community has made should show up. And you can get things like vehicles and various other things. Um, and I did some, and I used some AI. I think mostly ChatGPT to get some code for some of my things. It didn't always work, so I just searched things up and looked for the how the community does it. The rest of the people that are making these games, like for example, how to move objects when you touch them, or how to have anything react when you are near them. Like for example, this block, I made it so you can sit on top of it if you want to, and also that it would rotate when you sit on it. And then this ball will be able to lift up when you touch it. Then it'll come back down in a second. So I use this, which is and Roblox has its own coding language. It's called Lua. That you can do all this with, and this is the code for the ball here. You can see that it's going up 30 here on the y-axis, and then it waits 3 seconds and then falls again. So that's mostly what I was doing, and I made some other things like if you go up here, then there's a door that will teleport you after a couple seconds when you click on it, and just to get it so that the click would respond, you needed to like add a click detector, and then so you can even like hover your mouse over it when you're pointing at it. And at some point I tried to make it so those hogs that you can find every once in a while are kind of like collectible things. And so that wasn't really working for me with the things I could find, and I'll try and figure it out more. But for now, I added a counter to the leaderboard, but I can't actually increase or decrease it with anything in the game at the moment. As I said, I only had a couple of days to work on this, so I haven't done too much just yet. But I think I'll add some more things to the game, just like more things to actually do. I'll try and get those collectibles working, and maybe make some like shops or something so that you can spend collectibles and whatever, and just make the game actually rewarding and have an objective to do. So yeah, I'll be doing that soon, but for now this is what I have right now. And yeah, thanks for watching, I guess.